Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve this example. We are asked to find the amount of seepage, daily seepage from canal to the river. Let me write here a section given. For example, text data given. Okay. A canal and the river run parallel to each other for a length of 750 meters. The water level in the canal is 300 meters above mean sea level, while water level in the river is 292 meters above mean sea level. A 1.3 meter thick, the porous media which connects the canal and the river, its height is 1.3 meter. This is impervious clay, and this is also impervious. Only water can pass from this sand layer, which is its height is 1.3 meter. Good. Its permeability, hydraulic conductivity, is 1.6 times 10 to power minus 4 centimeter per second. Intersects both the canal and the river below the water level. As you see, it's below the water level, and sandwiched between two impermeable clay layers. That's clay layer, also this one clay layer, only we have sand here. Estimate the daily seepage loss in meter cube of water from canal to river for the 750 meter length of the canal. We have to calculate water loss throughout 750 meter along the river and the canal. Given length of porous channel, length of this porous channel equal to length of the river. It is 750 meters. So I noted it as length sub P equal to 700 meter. That is the length of porous media. This channel with 1.3 meter thickness goes deep to the page through 750 meter. I hope it's clear for you. What's more, we have the water level in the canal is 300 meter. I name it as H1 equal to 300 meter. Okay. H2 is river elevation of water. Name it H2 equal to 292 meter. Thickness of the porous medium or porous channel, label it as T equal to 1.3 meter. Okay. Hydraulic conductivity K, capital K, equal to K 1.6 multiply 10 to power minus 4 centimeter per second. Second in this software, math got S. Okay. Estimate the daily seepage loss. Request, for example, I want to request is finding Q in meter cube per day. Okay. Solution. We know we use this formula Q equal to K times I times A. That is the formula to find seepage through groundwater. So K is given, I is not given, hydraulic gradient. So let's find I. I equal to delta H divide by L. This L is different than LP. LP is has angle 19 with the page, with this image, but L of the porous sand which connects the canal and the river is 50 meter. That is the length or seepage path. Okay, let me define L also. For example, L, I write L here, capital L equal to 50 meter. You see, given. Good. Delta H, let me find delta H. Delta H equal to H2 minus H1 or H1 minus H2, because we just need absolute value. So I subtract H1 minus H2 equal 8 meter. I don't want negative value. Okay, now I equal to delta H divided by L equal to 0.16. Now area. Let's find area. Area equal to this thickness times 750 meter. So area equal to L times area equal to T times LP equal 975 meter square. Area equal to this thickness times 700 meter through the river. Okay, let's find seepage amount. Seepage Q equal to K times I times A equal to the seepage equal to 2.496 10 to power minus 4 meter cube per second, but we ask it to find in meter cube per day. So again write Q equal to, it gives me this result, just I want to change the second to day. Directly I can get the result. Discharge or seepage discharge is 21.565 meter cube per day, the water which goes from this canal to this river. That's all. Have a nice day.